Do you want to print long size with your documents? The legal size for the Philippines is 8.5 by 13 inches. You will need to configure the paper size in order to print in a long bond paper. Step 1. Make sure that your printer driver is properly installed. Click your Windows Start menu. Type Control Panel. Select Devices and Printers. As you can see, my printer is properly installed. Step 2. Open your Microsoft Word. Create a new document. Select File. Select Print. Choose Printer Properties. In the document size, choose User Defined. Rename the User Defined to Long Philippines. Change the paper height to 13. Click the Save button. Click OK. Click OK again. The long bond paper appears in our paper options. Now we can print in a long bond paper.